Our planet faces a grave challenge. The way we produce and consume energy is harming our environment. Fossil fuels like coal and oil release harmful gases when burned. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere, causing the Earth's temperature to rise. This phenomenon, known as global warming, leads to melting glaciers, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events. The impact of climate change is already being felt worldwide. We see more frequent and intense heat waves, droughts, and floods. These events disrupt ecosystems, displace communities, and threaten food security. The future looks even more concerning if we continue on this unsustainable path. We stand at a crossroads. We must choose between continuing with fossil fuels and facing the devastating consequences, or embracing a new energy paradigm. The choice is clear. We must transition to renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, geothermal, and hydropower offer a sustainable solution. Unlike fossil fuels, they do not deplete and do not produce harmful greenhouse gases. They harness the power of nature, the sun, wind, Earth's heat, and flowing water to generate electricity. Transitioning to renewable energy is not just an environmental imperative, it is also an economic opportunity. The renewable energy sector is creating new jobs and driving innovation. As technology advances, renewable energy is becoming increasingly affordable and accessible. The shift to renewable energy is not without its challenges. We need to invest in infrastructure, develop storage solutions, and ensure a smooth transition for communities that depend on fossil fuels. However, the long-term benefits far outweigh the short-term costs. Solar power is one of the most abundant and accessible renewable energy sources. Photovoltaic cells convert sunlight directly into electricity. Solar panels can be installed on rooftops, in fields, or even integrated into building materials. Solar energy is versatile and scalable. It can power homes, businesses, and entire communities. Advancements in solar technology have made it increasingly efficient and affordable. The cost of solar panels has dropped significantly in recent years, making it a competitive energy option. Solar energy has the potential to revolutionize the way we generate electricity. It is a clean, reliable, and sustainable source of power that can help us mitigate climate change and build a more resilient future. Wind energy harnesses the power of the wind to generate electricity. Wind turbines convert the kinetic energy of the wind into electrical energy. Wind farms, consisting of multiple turbines, can be located on land or offshore. Wind energy is a clean and renewable source of power that produces no greenhouse gas emissions. It is also a cost-effective energy option, with the cost of wind power declining steadily over the years. Wind energy has the potential to meet a significant portion of our electricity needs. It is a reliable and sustainable energy source that can help us reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and combat climate change. In this section, we explore geothermal energy, a method of tapping Earth's heat. Geothermal energy utilizes the heat from the Earth's core to generate electricity and provide heating and cooling. Geothermal power plants use steam from underground reservoirs to drive turbines and generate electricity. This form of energy is a reliable and constant source of power, available 24/7, regardless of weather conditions. It is also a clean energy source, producing minimal greenhouse gas emissions. Geothermal energy has the potential to provide baseload power, meaning it can consistently meet a significant portion of our energy demand. It is a sustainable and environmentally friendly energy option that can contribute to a cleaner energy future. In Section 6, we delve into hydropower, the force of water. Hydropower harnesses the energy of flowing water to generate electricity. Hydropower plants use dams or run-of-the-river systems to capture the kinetic energy of water and convert it into electrical energy. Hydropower is a mature and reliable renewable energy technology. It is a significant source of electricity in many countries, providing a stable and predictable energy supply. Hydropower projects can have environmental impacts, such as altering river flows and affecting aquatic ecosystems. However, with careful planning and mitigation measures, hydropower can be a sustainable and valuable source of renewable energy. Now, let's talk about biomass energy, often referred to as nature's fuel. Biomass energy involves using organic materials like wood, agricultural crops, or waste to produce electricity, heat, or even transportation fuels. It's a versatile source of energy that can be used in various applications, from small-scale heating systems to large power plants. Biomass is considered renewable because it can be replenished over a relatively short time compared to fossil fuels. However, it's crucial to manage resources sustainably to ensure that biomass production does not lead to deforestation or other ecological damage. As we look ahead, the transition to renewable energy sources presents a brighter future for our planet. Embracing technologies like solar, wind, geothermal, hydropower, and biomass can significantly reduce our carbon footprint and mitigate the impacts of climate change. It's not just about generating energy more sustainably, but also about innovating and improving the ways we live and interact with our environment. The journey towards a cleaner energy future is filled with challenges, but it's also ripe with opportunities for growth, development, and global cooperation. Let's continue to push forward, innovate, and inspire a sustainable revolution in energy production.